So I got another new transformer, and sorry it's been a while. I'm in the progress of moving. That's why my room is a bit of a mess. There's some boxes behind me, and I don't have many of my transformers with me. I just got one from work. I got a couple others, but they're not Bayverse. This one is the Tooth Ratchet. So I got this new camera thing. This is pretty decent for 2007, I'd say. Uh, it is missing a few pieces. Like this side doesn't have this. It doesn't have the the railing, and it's missing the window. So, but I still got it because I have 2007 Optimus Prime. The only Transformer that's Bayverse I have with me that, as I know of, is my Long Haul, which I believe was my most recent newest until now, or is the Ratchet, the Dark of the Moon Ratchet, which I have that moved somewhere right now, so I cannot do a comparison of that. I do not have any of his weapons. But yeah, I don't know if this is supposed to go like this or this. Come here. Let's get a closer view of that head sculpt. This head is wonky for me. It don't look it. No, I don't want. There we go. I might do some silver paint. I don't know yet. I probably will customize this because like these springs right here, I'm probably gonna paint those like grayish or dark, or like a dark gray or black, kind of like this. But yeah, I think this looks nice. I don't have my 2007 Optimus, which is unfortunate. I seen this at work, right? And well, actually, I didn't see it, but a coworker said that he's seen some Transformers in this area, and I rushed over there. I was like, let me check it out, and I seen this. I didn't really care for the others. I was like, that's 2007 Ratchet. I immediately knew. I was like, that's 2007 Ratchet, and I wanted it immediately. Yeah. Give me a second. There we go. Let's get that moved out of the way. But yeah, let's get it transformed. I'm gonna do it on camera. It's pretty simple. Hopefully my camera won't fall. I might redo this with my red paint marker. It looks like the same kind of red. But it's good to know now that I have the Dark of the Moon Ratchet and this 2007 release now. The transformation is very 2007. It kind of goes with the Optimus Prime I have. Whoa. Excuse you, Ratchet. I don't know. Just like kick y'all. And that's pretty much it. I don't know if these are supposed to go up or down. Like I said, it doesn't have the railing on top and doesn't have the front window. So I'll most likely have this in robot mode. The difference between here and the paint is a lot less clear in person, but you can still tell it in person. Big difference here on video. Hey, this is really nice. You can twist the head. I don't know if you're supposed to, but mine is kind of like, it gets a little hard to turn here. And it can roll. There we go. Which is very nice. I only really cared for this one. All the others are like from like 2005 and such. There was one from that was like Star Wars. That was a Millennium Falcon Transformer, which I've never had that one. But yeah, I think this is a alright figure. Obviously, 2 series is obviously a very decent upgrade from the 2007 Voyager, which is this one. I was supposed to get a Studio Series 06 Starscream, but the guy canceled. The guy was only going to sell it to me for 20 bucks, and I was like, shoot. But then I decided I'm not going to sell it, and I already repainted it to something, and I was like, what the hell? But that's pretty much it. Sorry for the short video. I'll try to upload more videos. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Have a good day, and please subscribe.